from the 60s to the 80s, like the 60s, how we go from fighting and you know, trying to stand up for what's right. And the problem with that is that they still worship Jesus. That's why it didn't work too. But yeah, how we go from that to now, everybody just like, oh, everything is okay. Oh, with all this wickedness, everything is fine. Everything is okay. Crack happened in between that, for real. Crack happened, messed up all the powerful leaders. And you know, that can only be by the hand of the Most High. Like, y'all still sitting up here. First, you got leaders who was trying to rise up in the church. Y'all worshiping Jesus. The Most High say don't put no other Elohim above him, beside him, none of that. Then, y'all try to rise up with the Black Panther. That means y'all worshiping yourself. Y'all putting yourself above. Like, I'm the leader, this, that, and the third. The Most High say don't put no other Elohim besides him. Like, regardless of if you feel like you strong, this, that, and the third, you got it, that's fine. You still gotta put the Most High first. You gotta make sure that you are leading the people to keeping the commandments and doing what is right and praising the Most High, so that we can restore our people to its true proper form. Hallelujah. And another point is that the next part that y'all do with the Black Panther, y'all got one leader like Malcolm X or Martin Luther King, y'all start worshiping that man instead. Even if it's not yourself, y'all start worshiping that man, and then the Most High just tear it all down. Like, no, y'all can't go with those plans. Just go back to being little slaves. Go ahead, you know, like, if that's what y'all want to do. Because that's what getting your ears pierced means. When you a slave, if you get your ears pierced, that means that you love it. That you love being a slave. That you want to stay with your master forever. So if we're in captivity and we get our ears pierced, whether we know it or not, whether we, you know, whether we had a choice in getting our ears pierced or not, that's what it means. And sadly, me personally, this is one thing that is the hardest thing for me to let go. My earrings. I know we could have earrings. It's just I didn't have a choice in it, so I just gotta pray about it, ask the Most High to guide me in it. I just know He allows us to wear gold and jewelry and all of that stuff. But if we wasn't in captivity and then I, did that, then it would have been different. But if not nothing else, the fact that we in our captivity and we got our ears pierced, that's saying a lot. So that's the reason why I want to let go of my earrings. Like, I know it's something small, but it's the hardest thing to do. Yeah.